Traveling is an exhilarating experience that allows us to explore new cultures, cuisines, and landscapes. However, it's essential to prioritize safety to ensure that your journey is as enjoyable and worry-free as possible. Whether you're embarking on a solo backpacking trip or a family vacation, following these 5 travel tips will help you stay safe and make the most of your adventure. Let's look at the first travel tip. 1. Research your destination. Before you embark on your journey, take the time to research your destination thoroughly. Familiarize yourself with the local customs, culture, and laws to avoid unintentionally offending locals or breaking any rules. Pay attention to any travel advisories or warnings issued by your government, and stay informed about any potential safety concerns in the area. Additionally, research the local transportation options, healthcare facilities, and emergency contact information to ensure you're prepared for any situation that may arise during your travels. 2. Pack wisely. Packing smartly can significantly contribute to your safety and comfort while traveling. Start by making a packing list and carefully selecting essential items such as clothing, toiletries, medications, and travel documents. Pack light to avoid carrying heavy bags that can weigh you down and make you a target for theft. Consider investing in quality travel gear, such as a sturdy backpack, a reliable suitcase with built-in locks, and a money belt to keep your valuables secure. Don't forget to pack a first aid kit with essential medical supplies and any necessary medications to address common travel ailments. 3. Stay vigilant and aware. Maintaining situational awareness is crucial for staying safe while traveling. Pay attention to your surroundings, especially in crowded or unfamiliar areas, and trust your instincts if something feels off. Be wary of pickpockets and scam artists who may target tourists in popular tourist destinations. Keep your belongings close to you at all times, and avoid displaying valuables such as expensive jewelry or large amounts of cash in public. When exploring new places, stick to well-lit and populated areas, particularly at night, and avoid wandering off alone in unfamiliar neighborhoods. 4. Practice safe transportation. Navigating transportation in a new destination can be challenging, but prioritizing safety is essential. Research the safest and most reliable transportation options available, whether it's public transit, taxis, ride-sharing services, or rental cars. Be cautious when using ride-sharing apps and verify the driver's identity and vehicle information before getting in. When traveling by public transit, keep an eye on your belongings and be mindful of your surroundings, especially during crowded peak hours. If renting a car, familiarize yourself with local traffic laws and road conditions, and drive defensively to minimize the risk of accidents or mishaps. 5. Keep in touch. Staying connected with loved ones back home is essential for your safety and peace of mind while traveling. Before you leave, share your itinerary with trusted friends or family members and keep them informed of your whereabouts throughout your trip. Check in regularly to let them know you're safe and share any updates or changes to your plans. Consider using communication apps or social media platforms to stay in touch with loved ones, especially if you're traveling solo. Having a reliable means of communication can provide reassurance in case of emergencies and help facilitate assistance if needed. Prioritizing safety is essential for a successful and enjoyable travel experience. By researching your destination, packing wisely, staying vigilant and aware, practicing safe transportation, and keeping in touch with loved ones, you can minimize risks and maximize the enjoyment of your adventures. Remember to stay flexible and adaptable. Embrace new experiences and savor every moment of your journey while prioritizing your safety and well-being above all else. With careful planning and preparation, you can embark on your travels with confidence, knowing that you're well equipped to handle whatever comes your way. What are your best travel tips? Write it below in the comments. Alright folks, that's it for this time. Have a great journey and I will see you guys in the next video.